Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about a very normal and extremely common situation what we see in lot of people, that's nothing but dandruff. So we'll be discussing about various aspects of dandruff. So starting with what is dandruff? Someone who has extremely greasy scalp or someone who has dry flaky white flakes on the scalp is also known as dandruff. So what's the reason for this dandruff? So piling up of the dead skin cells along with the environmental dust and dirt and other shampooing products or conditioning products along with the fungus which is present around the hair follicles is nothing but dandruff. So where all do we see the dandruff? So most commonly on the scalp is where we notice or a lot of people keep complaining about the white flakes around the hair on the scalp. The next thing is around the eyebrows, and yes, some people also notice whitish flakes on the eyelashes also, behind the ear, and for men it's mostly seen around the beard area and also on the chest. So basically it's around all the hair bearing areas is where we see some amount of dandruff deposition. Now what are the age groups? So all the ages and both the genders can experience the dandruff. Most commonly people who are around the puberty age, yeah, due to the hormonal changes they do find a lot of dandruff on the scalp or on the beard area. So when the dandruff is slightly extreme, we can label it as seborrheic dermatitis, so it's a component of dandruff itself. So we'll move on to the treatment part. We have a lot of options for the dandruff, mainly the shampoos which we see over the counter, which contains ketoconazole, selenium sulfide, cyclopyrox and coal tar, salicylic acid. So all these shampoos are available, but which one to use is decided by your dermatologist based on the extent of the dandruff. Now the most important thing, how are you using your anti-dandruff shampoo? Firstly, apply the anti-dandruff shampoo over the scalp only. You need not apply the anti-dandruff shampoo on the hair. For men, yes, it can involve the entire scalp. And once you apply the anti-dandruff shampoo, massage it into the scalp and wait for 5 minutes, then wash it off. That will be your first wash. The second wash will be with your any other normal shampoo for the entire hair, followed by a conditioner or a hair mask or anything. Now that's one important thing where usually people go wrong when they use an anti-dandruff shampoo. Mandatory 5 minutes or at least 4 minutes contact time. And how frequently do you want to use the anti-dandruff shampoo? On an average or regularly, alternate day usage of this shampoo is sufficient. But for someone who has a very active lifestyle and is into workout, gym every day, they can safely use this shampoo on a daily basis. Now the third important thing is, please do not oil your hair. For someone who is facing the dandruff issues, either greasiness or flakiness, please do not apply oil, because oil only aggravates the dandruff in most of the situations. So three most important things what you'll remember when you're dealing with dandruff. First thing, do not oil your hair. The second thing, please apply your anti-dandruff shampoo for at least 4 to 5 minutes. And the third thing, frequent washing of the scalp is mandatory. Thank you.